In Trader Talk this morning, Daniel Stecich of Athena Advisors is with us. And how do you think the Friday trade will shape up today? What will be on the minds of traders?
You know, once again, I think it's going to be the situation going on in the Ukraine, and I'm surprised it hasn't had a more negative effect on the market than it has. So we'll have to see how that develops. Economically, we saw some weakness in Europe, which also didn't come through into the markets yesterday. So we're going to have to see what that does. Going into a weekend, oftentimes with uncertainty, you see it come off. Will it come off this time? I'm not so sure. We've had a nice rally the past few days, so I wouldn't be surprised. But one way or the other right now, not much is going to surprise me.
The Dow was flying higher yesterday, and most of it on the back of Boeing. What's going on with this Boeing binge?
Well, you know, Boeing has had a really decent quarter. I don't say quarter, but the last month or so, you've had a lot of good headlines about orders, aircraft orders increasing for them. I think they had another reasonable news announcement yesterday, put it up a little bit. So going forward, that's a well-run company, and if they're getting orders into there, that's what's going to prop that price up.
Oil, on the other hand, had a big slide. How much further will we go?
Well, you know, this is, again, interesting with what's going on in Ukraine, that oil is still able to go down. Now, on a supply-demand basis, I think we've talked about this before. Oil is well supplied, demand is low, so it's probably where it should be and heading the right way. But if you see any type of escalation of what's going on in Ukraine, you're going to see that jump up again. I hope that doesn't happen, and I think you'll see sub 90 if it doesn't. But until then, we're just going to have to keep our fingers crossed.
Daniel, thank you, and have a great weekend.
Thank you.